In the dynamic world of construction, with many challenges, we aim to lead the charge with a steadfast commitment to solving construction-related problems. Welcome to Walther Strong. Founded on the principle of solving industry-wide problems by saving you time with our innovations on established products, Walther Strong has continuously raised the bar by delivering solutions that resonate with both contractors and end users alike. Our success is rooted in our ability to anticipate market needs and deliver solutions that redefine what's possible in construction. With 25 years in the chemical adhesive industry, this allows us to understand the needs of the contractor and provide a great service and product through our dedicated timber and builders merchants. Our tapes and adhesives solve problems in the landscaping, plastering, rendering and decorating markets. Over 20 years ago we reached out to our contractors and builders, asking them what problems they faced on a daily basis. This is how we started, and it's still the method we use today. Through our connections with merchants and end users, we are focused on educating the user to get their projects completed quicker, easier and more durable. Whether you're in the UK, Europe or North America, contact us today to discover how to be part of our growing merchant network.